Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Spigen SteadiBoost Flex wireless charger. The model number of this wireless charger is F316w. Coming to the power output, it has 5 watts, 7.5 watts and 10 watts and 15 watts. Coming to iPhones, it supports 7.5 watts. The box of Spigen SteadiBoost Flex wireless charger looks like this. Here you can see the Spigen branding, and at the back side looks like this. Here you can see that you can charge your phone in 3 ways. Coming to the features, it has smart IC protection, control sleep technology, intelligent power technology. As I said, it supports up to 15 watts fast charge. And coming to the back side, the specifications of this wireless charger is given. Coming to the price, here you can see that the price mentioned is 4,999, but you can get it from Amazon for rupees 1499. Now without wasting any time, let's open the seal of this wireless charger. There is nothing inside the box, and these are the box contents. Okay, here you can see the Spigen wireless charger. Here you can see the size of the Spigen wireless charger. At the back side you can see the SteadiBoost Flex wireless charger, and also the features are mentioned at the back side. Here you can see the Spigen branding. You can charge your phones using flat mode or standing mode. You can use whatever mode it is convenient for you. So let's keep it aside, and also you will get a user manual on how to use this Spigen SteadiBoost wireless charger, and also you will get a Type-C cable. The wire of this Type-C cable is braided, so it will last little longer. If you have a fast charger adapter at home, you can simply plug in one end to the adapter and the other end Type-C port to the fast charger. Here you can see the red light on the Spigen wireless charger. Let's test the wireless charging. Here is my iPhone 11. I am going to place the iPhone 11 on the wireless charger. You need to place it in the center. Here you can see that the charging is going on. Here you can see the charging symbol. I will zoom in little bit so you will get the idea whether it is charging or not. If you can see properly, here you can see the charging symbol. Let's remove it from the base. When the phone is charging, here at the bottom you can see the blue light. It means the phone is charging. When I remove the phone from the charging base, the light will go off. Let's keep the phone on the charging base. Here you can see the blue light. Now let's test whether the wireless charging is working when I keep the case. Here is a case from Spigen. Let's test the wireless charging with case on the phone. Here you can see that even after keeping the case also, the wireless charging is working flawlessly. Let's remove the phone. The blue light will go off. Let's keep the phone again. Here you can see the blue light. If you can see properly, here you can see the blue light. Not only that, this Spigen wireless charger has the option to charge your phone in a flat mode or in the standing mode. Here you can see that the phone charging is going on in the standing mode also. You can keep the charging in another way also. You can keep the phone in a landscape mode and the phone will charge. Here you can see the blue light. Here you can see the charging symbol. So for those who are looking to buy a wireless charger, you can definitely go and buy this Spigen wireless charger. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.